how to get started with affiliate marketing, but more importantly, how you can make money with this business model. This is my PayPal account and I have been making money with affiliate marketing. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how I made these commissions. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products. And you can promote digital and physical products. For example, if you go to Amazon.com and scroll down, you will find this link, become an affiliate. And if you click here and sign up, you can recommend Amazon products. And Amazon will give you an affiliate link. And if someone buys through that link, you can make a commission. And this is the standard commission income rate. For example, if you promote luxury and beauty, you can earn 10%, and digital music 5%, or physical books 4.50%. But why is it better to promote digital products, but more specifically high-ticket products? Because you can earn 50% commission for every sale. And typically you can make $500 or more when you promote high-ticket products. So this is my affiliate dashboard, and I want to show you the product that I promote. The 72-hour challenge / Freedom Accelerator. They usually pay 50% commission, but for this month, I have 70%. And this is a digital training that teaches people how to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch. And I use the Done For You system inside of this training to build my 24/7 sales system. And what is that? The system has a simple page to collect a name and an email. And then I redirect people to my affiliate offer. And I have an email sequence set up to promote the same affiliate offer and multiple products. And I have this system that works automatically. I just need to focus on sending traffic to my funnel. And it's important for you to know that it takes time when you start, because you need to learn the skills on how to promote, how to market and drive traffic to your system. Now, let me show you the system that I use to make the commissions. This is the opt-in page. It has a title, information, a picture, and a button. And when people click this button, I can collect the name and the email address. And this step is critical because you need to build your own email list in order to have a successful affiliate business for the long term. Then people will go to this page, and this is called the bridge page, in which I have here my video explaining the product and the next steps. And also I have here this button, and when people click it, they will go to my affiliate offer. And if they buy, I can make a commission. But people usually don't buy at the first interaction. That's why I have this email sequence. For example, when someone subscribes to this list, Freedom Breakthrough, this software, the name is Get Response, is going to send these emails automatically. My own story and the welcome message number 2. Then it's going to wait for 1 day and it's going to send another message. And inside of the emails, I have valuable information and my affiliate links. And I'm going to scroll down so you can see that I have many emails. And this system is powerful because the more emails I collect, the more money I make, because I can promote multiple products. If you want to learn how to set up the same system I have, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and God bless.